Mivi DuoPods F30 comes in this small box. On the side it says engineered and made in India. Mivi is an Indian company which has their R&D and manufacturing facility in Hyderabad. On the back side we can see its features such as HD stereo sound, Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, 13mm audio driver, RPX 4.0 and fast charging. You get a user manual, warranty card, and you also get Type-C USB cable for charging and earbuds. Build quality. DuoPods F30 comes in the white box, which is kinda similar to AirPods, but it opens horizontally. It uses magnets to close the case, and the DuoPods are also kept in place by magnets. You have a LED indicator for battery level and charging pins on both sides. There's a Type-C port on the back side of the case. The quality of plastic is good for the price, but the opening and the closing mechanism of the case is not firm. Looking at the earphones, it has good design, they feel sturdy, and the plastic is also of good quality. Touch controls is present on the top of the ear tips. One tap pauses the music, long tap lowers the audio, 3 taps open Google Assistant or Siri. Audio quality. Coming to audio quality, DuoPods comes with 13mm audio driver. It has excellent quality while watching movies and videos. It has good bass, but it lacks a bit of treble, which can be changed using any equalizer app. Here's a sample of the audio quality. Audio quality is pretty good for an earphone that's priced under 1000 rupees. This earphone supports Bluetooth SBC codec and AAC codec. Battery life. On a single charge, the earphone lasts 6 hours and the case can charge the earphone for 5 times. It also supports fast charging. The earphone can fully charge in less than 30 minutes. 10 minutes of charge will give 10 hours of battery backup for this case. I recommend Mivi DuoPods F30 if you're looking for a TWS earphone under 1000 rupees. It offers good audio quality and amazing battery life. For this price, it's worth the money. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.